Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will discuss about taxonomy. Now, what is taxonomy? Taxonomy basically refers to the process of classification of organisms into convenient categories, which is also called, these convenient categories is also called taxa. Now, what are the various steps of taxonomy? The first step is characterization. Basically, in this step, all features of organisms are noted down and described. The second step is identification. In this step, the essential character of an organism is recognized. Third step is classification. In this step, the organisms are grouped into the specific characteristic based on some observable. Yes, they are grouped into specific category based on some observable characteristics. And the last step is that of nomenclature. This step involves naming of an organism. Now, what are the various rules of nomenclature? As I have said that nomenclature is the name of an organism, basically the naming of an organism, but certain rules have to be followed. That is, the name consists of two parts. And so this is called binomial nomenclature. Uh, First part uh, is the genus name, generic name, and the second part is species name. Second part is the species name, and the generic name begins with capital letter. And the species name begins with small letter. And the basic thing of that binomial nomenclature is that when the scientific name is written, it is either italicized or it is underlined separately. As we can see here, the common name of this pebble crab is Xanthias lamarcki. This Xanthias is the genus name and this lamarcki is the species name. As I've already said that the generic name must begin with a capital letter and the species name must begin with a small letter. When handwritten, the scientific name should be underlined separately, like like this. This is the name of typhoid causing bacteria. Clear? Now here we come to taxonomic hierarchy. What is this taxonomic hierarchy? Taxonomic hierarchy is the systemic framework of classification in which the various taxonomic groups are arranged in definite order. Now this taxonomic hierarchy varies for animals and plants. Okay. As we can see in case of animals and plants, the common part is that in the lowest level of taxonomic hierarchy is the species, which is common in both animals and plant. Then a group of related species from genus, which is also common in both plant and animals. Now group of related genera forms family, which is also common in both plant and animals. Now group of family forms order, which is also common in both plant and animals. Now the next is that the group of related orders form a class, which is also common in both plant and animals. Now in animals, the group of related class forms a phylum, whereas in plants, the group of related class forms a division, which varies. That is, in animals, group of related class is called phylum, whereas in plant, group of related class is called division. Now in animals, group of related phylum is called kingdom, whereas in plants, group of related division is called kingdom. Now in order to remember this taxonomic hierarchy order, here is a mnemonics which will help you to remember the taxon. That is, king penguins climb over frozen glassy slopes. King stands for kingdom. This penguin phylum or division. Climb C stands for class. Over O stands for order. Frozen F stands for family. G grassy stands for genus. Slopes S stands for species. Here is an example which shows taxonomic hierarchy, like the common for man, scientific name Homo sapiens. Here sapiens is the species name, whereas the genus name is Homo and family is Hominidae, order Primata, class Mammalia, phylum Chordata. This is phylum. Similarly, in a housefly, this Domestica is the species name, Musca is the genus name, family name Muscidae, order is Diptera, class Insecta, phylum is Arthropoda. Similarly, in case of mango, scientific name Magnifera indica, in which the species name is Indica. Genus is Magnifera, family Anacardi, order Sapinidales, class Dicotyledones. Your division is Angiospermi. Now we Triticum aestivum. This aestivum is the species name, Triticum is the genus name, Poaceae family, order Poales, class Monocotyledon, phylum, that is, sorry, here is division is Angiosperma. Now what are the various taxonomical aids? The first taxonomical aid is herbarium. Herbarium is a storehouse of collected dried plant specimens. Now the second taxonomical aid is botanical garden. It is a specialized garden having collection of living plants for references. Third is museum. This museum have collection of preserved plant and animal species which are used mainly for study and references. Fourth taxonomical aid is zoological park. This is the places where wild animals are kept in protected environment, specifically under human care. Till you are clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.